Welcome everybody. Update for Samsung Highlights, the most unpopular Samsung app out there, although it has a very nice rating, well, because it has just 5 ratings, and some people are saying that it does have some fine content. Nobody really uses this application, and anyway, I decided to make a video about it to show you because it just got an update. It is, as you can see, from the 22nd of October, and the version is 1.2.15. Now, what the heck is Samsung Highlights? The icon is rather interesting. It looks like AI on a screen or something, and it's nothing else but just bringing some fun content to your lock screen. So your lock screen now more awesome. As you can see, you're gonna be able to check some things like travel, entertainment, lifestyle, and more, curated just for you. This isn't bad, guys. If there is somebody out there who is just gathering content for us and making sure it's quality and inspires us, why not? But at the end of the day, what the heck is this? So the Samsung Highlights is the fastest way to be entertained and inspired right on your lock screen. Swipe right to watch video highlights and tap to discover more. Only the highlights, nice videos, high quality every day. It's curated for you, and etc. And there are more to discover. So potentially what this thing means is it's an overhaul for else your boring lock screen. Now let me show you guys. This here is my lock screen. Kind of boring, some notifications. I used to have here the Samsung Device Health Manager. Now I don't have that either because it doesn't work. I know why. If you wonder why, just ping me in the comments, I'll let you know. And this is it, guys. I have also some shortcuts here, but it's nothing really fancy. Now with Samsung Highlights, this changes. I'm gonna open it and show you what you can do. So this is it. We have animals, nature, art, home, beauty, health, celebrity, and these here are the options. Show on lock screen. Lock screen category, so you can choose up to 10 categories. Those are the one that I've chosen. And then, guys, this is how it goes. Download videos on Wi-Fi only if you want to save your data, and mute video feed by default, which I think is cool, and I'm gonna choose it. Also, erase personal data, copy user ID, send us feedback, and also about Samsung Highlights. As you can see, this is it. So now, guys, I'm gonna lock my phone, baba, and now as you can see, this isn't my boring lock screen. What you can see here is it looks like a mixture of TikTok and YouTube Shorts. What can I do here, guys? Can I swipe? Well, let's try. Yep, I'm swiping through all the categories. Right, yep, it's pretty much just like TikTok and YouTube Shorts. So in case you like something, you can hit the like button, you can share it, you can also click here and view this in a beautiful full screen experience. Let's check the creativity and do it yourself. I'm a big fan of do-it-yourself videos, by the way, so this can be handy, by the way. Why not? I mean, if you have the time to just stay on your lock screen, why not? For you. And here, guys, you're gonna be able to just find curated videos for you, and in case you like a video, I have my likes. So this is it, guys. It's pretty basic, but also can be fun, and it's not so cringy like TikTok and all the others. So it's a short form content by Samsung that just scrapes the internet. And by the way, if you like something, you can just click here and they're gonna be redirected to the page where you can apparently follow the creator and just, I mean, use it if you like it. But again, this is most probably the most unused app. Unlock the phone and boom, voila, I'm gonna be inside Samsung Highlights. And let's say I want to kill another 10 minutes in the toilet, why not? And if you want to go enter, boom, you're going to just directly enter your home screen. Every time you just go on your lock screen, yeah, this is gonna be the Samsung Highlights. Alright, you should wait a bit for all these videos to load. And then, guys, when they're loading, you're gonna be able also to scroll down a bit, and that's it. Let me know what you think, guys. You want to give it a try or just rather scrap it? Thanks so much for watching. VST, stay safe, over and bye.